How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video where I will add multiple accounts in your TikTok. So let's get into it. So firstly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go ahead and you're gonna open up your TikTok account. You will open it up on your mobile phone, or you can also do this on your laptop or PC. So once we log into our TikTok account. Now, actually, on TikTok, we can very easily switch between accounts and add more than one account. So, all you need to do is you will go to the profile option here and you can use your email address, your username, or your phone number. And once you have logged into one account, you can actually log into more accounts. You can create more accounts if you have more email addresses. So, you will just need a new email address to create a new account. So, for this one, you will actually require to create accounts separately. Once you go to profile and you can click on login and just enter your information, click on login and you will be able to sign into your TikTok. Now you can sign into multiple accounts this way, and you can also do this within your browser. So, for example, like me, I can just simply go here and I can just search for TikTok and go to tiktok.com in here. So, I can access TikTok on my laptop or PC. So, this is how it account here. And now we can very easily use our TikTok. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.